What's going on, everybody? Chad here with you. Welcome back to the Dorky and 40 channel, and today I want to talk about one of my favorite topics, quads, and that is the, oh my god, Acrobrat. Now, I have owned an Acrobrat, actually owned two, only one now, since they first came out, and it's been a great quad. It is a little proximity master, and that's kind of what it is, and that's just kind of what I finally have just came to grips with. I've tried running one camera, two cameras, lighter batteries, bigger batteries, different kind of props, shaving off all the TPU and all that kind of stuff to try to find the ultimate brat setup for myself and what I like to do with it. And I think after 4 or 5, maybe even like 6 months now, I think I finally have called it quits and came to my final conclusion, and I'll fly it until it just doesn't fly anymore. So we'll take a look at the Brat, we'll take a look at some video coming from the CADDX Turtle V1.1, and we'll talk about Betaflight 4 on it. So let's check it out real quick on the bench. So here is my last rendition of the oh my god Acrobrat. This version here with dual cams runs in at 185 grams. You can see that I have no TPU besides the little 3D prints that I need here for my dual camera setup, and also a little card ejector here on the side to keep the memory card safe inside the CADDX Turtle V1. Now, I've ran single camera. Some people are fine with it. I am not. I get a lot better of experience out of running the dual cams. So I just get a better FPV feed, no noise or nothing like that. I don't know. The Split Mini 2 and the CADDX are both equally annoying, so I just run it like this. So once I finally came to a good point with my video with my CADDX, basically all I did is just unsolder the video wire, run the video from the new RUNCAM Robin that I put in there in replace of a Micro Eagle, so I could shave a little bit of weight off, and there she goes. Recently just put in one of the new TBS Race 2 MMCX VTXs, and I'm just running a dipole. Was always doing that before. I did have a old version of the Race at 200 milliwatts. This runs even better just at 100 milliwatts, even though it will go up to 400. Now, I never got into the whole Brat motor thing, which I'm kind of happy about because I know some people have had some durability issues for them. So I know I could always shave another 5 or 6 grams of weight off this and get this below 180 as it sits. But 185 is pretty good. It's able to allow me to do what I want to do. Like I said, it's a little proximity monster. It's super fun to fly. I used to fly with these Gem Fan 3052 props, but with the way Betaflight 4.0 is running now, it definitely will bring out some disadvantages in your power setup. So I find that I'm getting a lot smoother performance, and I'm able to really raise my PIDs to a good point, run the auto filters and all that stuff like that, just running the HQ 3x4x3s. I've also switched to running 850 batteries. I used to be a big proponent of 650 to try to keep the weight down, but especially here in the wintertime, you just need that extra milliamps, and I don't know if the R line's that much better than the China Hobby lines, but you just need something to help combat sag. So flying around the yard, I can get anywhere between 3.5 and 5 minutes on this, just having a good time, bashing around, doing whatever. And the video is really as good as it's ever been. Spent a little bit of extra time tuning that out with the CADDX Turtle. I would like to maybe eventually swap this lens out for the Split M12 glass lens, which I guess a lot of people are doing, to get rid of some of the chromatic aberrations that you get. So they're kind of like blue and red, kind of like reflective lines that kind of, you can kind of see them if you look in some people's videos around like sharp objects where there's a contrast between light and dark. But that's just something to think about. Always ran a cap. RXSR. This has a 4-in-1 BL Heli 32-bit ESC and the NANO F4 Talon. So, not saying that my Acrobrat build is the best build that's out there for people, but this setup definitely is very, very good with me. The 3D prints that KevFPV came up with a long time ago are just great because it gets rid of all those stupid little spacers, and it also gives you a little bit more vibration dampening because you have some TPU in there. I've always ran the blue grommets on that and on the flight controller stack, so that's pretty much how it is now. But you can take a look at my Acrobrat playlist I'll put here, and you can just kind of see the evolution of how this thing has changed. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, I love it. I'm really enjoying these smaller quads now just because they are a little bit less invasive, and kind of once you get them up in the air, they're a little bit cheaper to maintain and fly and stock parts for. That one, along with, this is kind of what happened to the second brat. It turned into the massive droner. So same parts, everything else like that. Super fun to fly, really fast, just a super quad. So that's it. That's my final version of the Acrobrat. I know a lot of people are still buying their first ones, and I hear that there's rumblings of 4 inches and just all kinds of stuff in the works around this kind of setup, which there might as well be, because I think with new regulations, something like this is going to become even more important, so that way, you know, we can fly around in parks and stuff and not really get hassled as much. So 3 inches for the parks and 7 inches for the mountains, I guess. So that's it, guys. Hopefully this helps some of you out. If you have any questions, let me know. We'll talk to you later.